Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will try to explain you Facebook Marketplace quickly, usage and the feature of the marketplace. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Facebook and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see marketplace. If you won't find it here, you have to click on the three lines on the right top. Once you will click on it, scroll up and here you will see a marketplace option. So before that, whenever you want to start a new online business, you need some kind of e-commerce website or a platform to sell your product. But recently Facebook launched a new feature with the name of the marketplace. So here you can sell your goods or any product or item. You can create your own marketplace store so you can sell your product. So here you will see sell option. If you want to sell anything on the Facebook in the marketplace, you can simply click on the sell button and here you will see different options like items, vehicles, home for sale or rent. So these are the categories. You can select any. If you want to sell your vehicle, you can simply select vehicle, and if you want to sell any item, you can select item. So I simply select item from here. Okay, on the top you will see a add photo option. So simply tap on it and add the photos of your product. Now you have to give the titles and then you have to enter the price in which you want to sell your product, and then go to the categories, and in the categories you will find different options like home and garden, entertainment, clothing, accessories, family toy, games, baby kids, electronics. So these, once you will cover it, you have to enter the condition like new, used, fair, and then you have to write the description about your product, and here you have to add the location, and these are all about. And simply once you will fill this form, you can click on the publish and it will publish to the Facebook Marketplace for selling. Moreover, here you will see different categories. If you want to purchase anything from the marketplace, here you will see categories. You can select categories like vehicle, and I have selected the vehicle from here, and you will see all the vehicles are appear here. You can select any. Let's suppose I am interested in this product. So here you will see send seller a message. Simply, is this still available? I can simply send or contact him on the messenger. Also you can save it from here or share it with your friends, and you can read the description here. Go back, and more features are, you can change the location of the products. Let's suppose you can enter America location and click on the apply, and here you will see a cart option. So here you will see your cart, that the products you have added, and this is your commerce profile. You can see your listing, your sizes, your inbox. Here it's look like a Facebook page. You can also search it from here. You can search for anything, and this is all about the marketplace of the Facebook. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if this video really helps you out. Thank you.